Are you a woman who is in business and is ready to up level in 2020? Are you a woman that loves making connections, meaningful connections with other like-minded women? If you answered yes to either of those questions, I am so excited, I'm beyond excited to announce to you the Women Like Me event. January 20th of 2020. This event is going to be remembered for many years to come. It is a powerful coming together of women from various organizations. It's amazing. Women coming together to showcase, to freely share with you their gifts, their talents, their skill sets. It's going to be a lot of powerful networking, fun, laughter, prizes, beauty, the very best of health and lifestyle and business, everything you need to up-level your vision and your business, your life in 2020. So, Women Like Me event, Sacramento, California, January 20th of 2020. You're going to want to be a part of this. There's a few speaking opportunities still remaining. Those are filling up fast. There's vendor tables. There's networking. There's just a lot. It's going to be a powerful, not to miss day. You want to be there. So get the information. Click on the link below or beside or wherever it is. Make sure you've got it on your calendar and you are there. Can't wait to see you at the Women Like Me event, January 20th, 2020.